Sana excited din kayong lahat.
Yes, and you know what? Every time na nakasama kita mag-host, nahihiya ako magtanong, ano scent mo? But thankfully ngayon,
Alam mo na.
Alam ko na, i-unveil natin together. But before that, I do wanna ask, like, why fragrance and how is it so important to you specifically?
Well, honestly, you know, growing up, I would see my mom's
collection
niya. Sobrang dami niyang perfume. And yung pinaka-memory ko na every time na nagpa-perfume siya is paglalabas siya. So she looks so glamorous. She's always well-prepped and she's dressed really nice. So, parang growing up, yun ang naisip ko na parang there's some sort of connection when it comes to empowerment and when it comes to feeling and looking good. So, now that I'm all grown up, I have my very own collection na as well. And every time I go out, it's always a different scent. Kasi I have moods when it comes to perfumes. I'm not very picky when it comes to my perfumes, but syempre, I still pick the ones that I like, diba? But it's not always the same, I guess, notes. It's not always floral, it's not always parang berries. Iba't-iba talaga siya. Kasi it's all, I always use it pag iba't-iba yung mood ko. So, palit-palit talaga ako ng perfume.
That's very interesting because I think I'm also like that. Like, depending on my mood.
Yes.
And of
Tsaka
course,
outfit.
Sabihin ko, outfit.
Tsaka sa lakad, di ba?
Oh. And so, papaupo daw tayo, Mr. Diba? Kasi, anong side natin?
Dito ako sa
Ayan, okay. That's important to us. Naaamoy mo ba? Malapit na ba? Ayan. But also, I do want to ask, since you do say na, okay, we want to switch it up depending on the mood, the outfit, paano na yan when it comes to a signature scent? Kasi diba, signature, usually the first thing that comes in your mind is, there's only one, that's it. So what is your take on that?
I love having signature scents just because pag meron ng lakad, alam na ng mga tao na nandiyan ka na.
Andito na ako.
Na nandiyan ka na. Kasi for me, it's also really important na other than, having a nice parang first impression kasi siya. And the thing is like, what they say, first impressions always last. So it's very important na pag may namita kong bagong tao or even my friends or people that have known me for a very long time, na parang yun ang una nilang may isip, oh my God, ang bango na naman.
Yes,
diba?
Totoo yan. And in that story, maybe you can give us like, before we reveal, ano yung scent, the notes and everything, baka your fans would like to know, for your scent story, meron ka bang parang, when you were younger, ito yung gusto mo? When you were in this part of your career, ito yung mas gusto mo? Tapos ngayon, ito yung mas gusto natin na scent or notes?
So yung journey ba ng